Hello, here's another example of using the BIC analysis in R programming. So I have here some scores, homework, lab, and quiz. I've come up with a cumulative grade for each of these students. So these are the scores that 10 students got on these various activities. And if I now run a BIC score, you see my base score. So I'm looking at grade here, and what grade tilde 1 says is let's just establish a baseline for grade, and that's an 82. So now if I run homework, you see I got an 83. That number actually went up. So what that's telling me is homework is not a very good factor for predicting what the grade is going to be. Okay, if I now go and do lab, I get an 81. Likewise there, it dropped a little bit, but not that much. And now if I run quiz, okay, that dropped a lot more than 10 points. So what this is telling you is of the three things, homework, lab, and quizzes, the quiz is the causal factor that really influences grade. So it's really the quiz score that's going to influence the grade. And you should be able to see that up here in the equation that I came up with. So I said 10% of homework and 20% of lab and then 70% of the quiz. So it's sort of built in there, but these are obviously made up numbers in a made up function there. You would not have homework being 10%, lab 20%, and quizzes 70% in all likelihood. But what this goes to show you is that drop there. So looking at grade just by itself is an 82, grade as influenced by homework is an 83, grade as influenced by lab is an 81, and grade influenced by the quiz scores is a 52. That's a huge drop. Remember, the lower number is better. So that's just another example of how to do a BIC score. Hope this helps. We'll see you online.